This 2021 Renegade Vienna 25VFWC is a Class C RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Renegade is 24 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep 6, carbon monoxide detector, stove top burner, water heater, auxiliary battery, oven, external shower, air conditioning, skylight, awning, microwave, and 34 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2021 Renegade Vienna 25VFWC is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.